Welcome to Homework Lib.
Since we already have the system in an augmented matrix, we just want to get the 3 by 3 identity on the left. The result will be the solution on the right. So since we already have a 1 in row 1, let's get zeros below it. And so we can first take row 2 and subtract 3 times row 1 to get a new row 2. And so that would be 3 minus 3, which is 0. Negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 5. And 4 minus 3, which is 1. And then 5 minus 9, which is negative 4. Now let's get a 0 in row 3. We can do this by taking row 3 and subtracting row 1. So it's 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, and 4 minus 3. I'm going to switch rows 2 and 3. Now I'm going to get a 0 in row 3 by taking row 3 and adding to it 5 times row 2. So we'll get 0, 0, 1, and then negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Getting there, we need a 0 in row 1, column 2. And so we can do this by taking row 1 and just subtracting row 2 from it. So we get 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 3 minus 1. And we have one final thing to make because we almost have the 3 by 3 identity. We just need a 0 in row 1, column 3. And we can do this by taking row 1 and subtracting row 3. So we get 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. And now we have the 3 by 3 identity on the left, and we get the solution 1, 1, 1 on the right. This would mean x is 1, y is 1, and z is 1, which makes sense because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. This makes sense. 1, 1,